Hello everyone. What I'm about to explain comes from years of hands-on experience listening to countless customers and solving hundreds of real-world cases in our repair shop. The ERP error code typically appears when the grill detects a problem related to its power supply or the controller. Although the message can be alarming, we found that in many cases, it's simply the system going into a protective mode. One situation we see over and over is customers telling us the error appeared after a power outage or after unplugging the grill without shutting it down properly first. From our experience, a power interruption can cause the controller to register an abnormal condition and display this error. The next thing we always recommend is checking the power source. A loose electrical outlet, a low-quality extension cord, or unstable voltage can all be enough to trigger the code. Some customers also mentioned the problem started after using a generator, so it's worth making sure the power supply is stable. If everything checks out, the next step is to inspect the internal connections and see if there's a pending firmware update. A loose connector or outdated software can cause the controller to detect faults that aren't actually there. If the ERP error code continues to appear after these checks, the electronic controller itself may have been damaged by a power surge or normal component wear. In that case, it's best to perform a proper diagnosis before replacing any parts. Traeger recommends checking the power supply, updating the firmware, inspecting all connections, and performing a complete system restart. If the code persists, the best course of action is to take the grill to an authorized service center for a more thorough inspection. Based on everything we've seen in the repair shop and the experiences shared by many customers, this code is most commonly related to electrical issues, poor connections, a pending firmware update, or a problem with the controller. That's why we always recommend starting with the simplest checks before considering a major repair.